So we all know my purpose is to connect with people around the world and offer support during life's journey. I know that life can be overwhelming sometimes, and it has its many ups and downs. And I'm just speaking from personal experience as a survivor of domestic violence, trauma, addiction, and other challenges that could leave one bitter. Now, as a single parent, it gets hard, and I know firsthand how difficult it can be to stay positive, which is why I believe in the effectiveness of positive affirmations and guided meditations. I have done a lot of research and personally experienced these benefits. I'm excited to share them with you, and they are 10 of the most powerful I am affirmations that can transform your mindset, and they will help you create the life that you deserve.
And let's begin. We're going to start with breathing in. We're going to inhale through our nose on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Now hold it. 2, 1. Now exhale out your mouth. All right, let's do that one more time. We're going to go ahead and inhale through our nose. Now hold it. 2, 1. Now exhale out your mouth. I hope you feel out of the tension, leave your body in that exhale. All right, let's begin our affirmation. I am capable of achieving my dreams and goals. I am confident and I believe in myself. I am deserving of love and respect. I am constantly growing and learning. I am surrounded by positive and supportive people. I am worthy of success and abundance. I am healthy and strong, both physically and mentally. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I am at peace with myself and the world around me.
Hey guys, thanks for joining me today on my guided meditation. Remember to repeat your affirmations daily. This will help to transform your mindset and create the life you deserve. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. So Mindful Mindsy for more powerful affirmations and guided meditations. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know how this meditation has impacted your life. Until next time, I am Mindful Mindsy, helping you to transform your life one affirmation at a time. Bye.